I'm an intern working in Lexus and Company, and I'm going to present on the topic the agreement to sell and sale deed. So, first of all, sale deed transfers the rights of the parties from the seller to the buyer, and it is the immediate and complete transfer of the property, while agreement to sell shows the will and interest of the parties to buy and sell the property, and it's a executory contract. So the agreements are made for movable as well as immovable properties. Movable are the tangible, and which does not include the land and buildings. Land and buildings comes in the immovable. And immovable properties transfer procedures are really complex and involves a lot of documents, and for the purpose the agreement to sell have came into the picture. It uh, it has all the required details from the proposal of the contract of sale, along with the proposed date, the payment details, the considerations, the conditions, and what will happen if it is violated, and such. So the to put it into what all matters are contained in the agreement to sell. So there are following matters. First is the proposal of the purchase and agreement to sell the property. Second is the detailed description of the property, which is being exchanged upon the parties. The parties can be more than two, and on each side it can be more than one. It can be one, and but there can be more than one parties as well. So there are multiple parties transaction going on in the uh, agreement of sell. Then the third requirement is that the seller party should specify that they are uh, free of encumbrances, and encumbrances are the obligations that a party has. Encumbrances can be sales, gifts, liens, loans, orders, attachments, mortgage, litigation, notification, acquisitions, charges, benami, ownership, etc. They should be free of that. Then comes the payment details, including the earnest money, delivery of the original documents, drafting of the sale deed, and registration if the conditions are fulfilled in the given time. Then comes the method of delivery of the property. Refund, remedies, forfeiture if the purchaser or fails to complete the sale. Then comes the action if the property is affected by the notice from the government authorities. Then the production of tax certificates. Then comes the schedule of the property, memo of the consideration for money received, the memorandum. Then other matters incidental to the proposed sale. So sale of deed comes post the agreement of sale. If the conditions are fulfilled, then the sale deed will execute further on. So sale deed actually transfers the rights completely, and all the terms and conditions mentioned in the former should be fulfilled for the sale deed to continue. Sale deed, in short, includes the description of the ownership and property, which will be the seller, then the clear titles, then the reference to the agreement of sale, then the discharge of property with description of the facilities, measurements, privileges, easements, and other rights to the buyer. Then comes the transfer of interest, claims, demand, then peaceful enjoyment of the property without hindrance from anybody. Then indemnify the purchaser against losses arising out of the negligence of the seller or their heirs, then full authority to sell the property by the buyer in future. So the key differences learned in this presentation between the agreement of sale and sale deed is that sale deed is immediate transfer of the property, while the agreement to sell is the future transfer. Then risk are also transferred in the sale deed, but it remains with the seller in the agreement. Then sale is a full executed contract, while agreement to sell is executory. Then breach of sale will result in suit for damages as well as price in the sale deed. But agreement to sell, there will only be the damages, not price suit. Then a sale deed is always compulsory instrument in the property transfer, but agreement to sell differs from the subject to laws from state to state. It's different. So thank you. This was the presentation on sale deed and agreement to sell.